Let's do a quick challenge in Python. Challenge here is swap the two variables age_1 and age_2. Now age_1 is 21, age_2 is 22, and then somehow we have to swap these variables. How do we swap variables? There are many ways to do it. We're going to just try one way. Age_1 equal to 21, age_2 equals 22. Okay, now we have to swap these variables, meaning 22 has to go here, 21 has to go here. How can we do that? Let's go to our whiteboard. Age_1 equals 21, age_2 equals 22. Like I said, there are many ways to do it, but a simple and very intuitive way is, why can't we do something like this? Age_1 equals age_2, and then age_2 equals age_1. Will this work? Let's see. Age_1 equals age_2. Now remember, variables are just pointers to somewhere in the computer where the actual value resides. So when you say age_1 equals age_2, you're essentially saying that age_1 also points to what age_2 points. Right? As soon as you execute this statement, both these variables become 22 or point to 22. Now when you say age_2 equals age_1, age_1 already has lost this pointer. So this pointer is lost, meaning you no longer know what is the variable that points to this age. So this way of doing the swapping does not work. Now you might already know this does not work, but try and understand why it does not work. So what is the solution? Okay, one of the solutions is have a temporary variable temp, right? And then store this value in temp, right? Now this becomes 21, temp points to 21. Now you can say age_1, right? So with this statement, this points here, and age_2 equals temp. Now this points to 21, right? So there are three steps. Step 1, create a temporary variable, assign the value of age1 to this variable. Step number 2, assign the age1 variable to age2 variable, meaning point to wherever age2 is pointing to, and age2 points to the temporary variable. This is one way of swapping variables. So temp equals age_1. Okay, step number 1. Now temp, if you do a shift enter and find out the value of temp, that is 21. So we have got a pointer to this data 21. Now you are free to play with age_1. Age_1 equals age_2. Now age_1 lost the pointer to the value 21 and instead is now pointing to 22. But not a big deal because we already have a variable temp that's pointing to this 21. So we have a reference to 21. We didn't lose it. Then finally, age_2 equals temp. Now let's see what age_1 points to. 22. Age_2 points to 21. See, we have swapped this. Age_1 now points to 22. Age_2 now points to 21. This is one way to swap two variables. Now I encourage you to go out on the web and find out all different ways in which you can swap variables. Just do a quick Google and then you'll find out so many different ways in which you can swap variables.